Hello again, my friends. It is your loan guy, Troy, with the Reichert Mortgage team here, bringing you another mortgage market moment. Excited to bring it here to you. As we always talk about, if you've watched a lot of these videos, we're a broker here. What does that mean? Well, we do have a lot of lenders in our stable here that we can look at. And statistically speaking, we do have very competitive interest rates compared to some of the big box folks out there. So we're excited to be on the broker side of things. Also, remember, we are talking about VA loans, we're talking about conventional, we're talking about FHA, but we have many different loan products out there that could be a fit for you to include down payment assistance programs, investment properties, those kind of things, right? So let's talk about what you need on that call or text or email. We can get that started for you. And interest rates do indeed change daily and multiple times a day sometimes. So especially in this volatile market. So we're going to be talking about 0830 on the 20th of June and 2023. So without any further ado, we're going to get started. Here's our scenario. $450,000 purchase price, primary residence, okay? We fold in $175 each for property taxes and homeowners insurance. We do not consider a homeowners association into this analysis, okay? So just wanted to let you know that. Now, what does a VA purchase look like today? 660 credit score, no money down, 6.125 on that interest rate on a 30-year fixed. APR 6.173 to 6.483. Remember that VA funding fee, if you have one, and if you finance it into the loan, it is going to affect that APR, okay? Estimated monthly payment, $3,084 and change to $3,174 and change. Again, financing in that VA funding fee, if you have one, is going to affect your monthly payment. Okay, conventional purchase, 740 credit score, 10% down, 6.99 interest rate on that 30-year fixed, 7.173 APR with a 3102 and change estimated monthly payment. FHA, what's that doing today? Well, 660 credit score, 3.5% down, which is indeed the minimum amount you have to put down on an FHA. 6.168 with a 6.933 APR, 3244 and change for that estimated monthly payment. Where are interest rates today compared to when we did a last mortgage market moment? They are indeed about even. We've had some volatility, so they've been up a little bit, down a little bit. But since the last one, they're basically the same, within a couple of thousandths on the interest rate there. Now, why is that? Well, since the last time we've talked, the Fed had a quarterly meeting, and some of the economic indicators that are out there, such as employment, CPI, consumer price index, and those kind of things have been a little different than they expected. They are starting to think the inflation should start to come down. Unemployment was supposed to go up a little bit, which, again, from a personal standpoint isn't good, but from an interest rate standpoint is what they're looking for, okay? The numbers didn't really jive with what they were thinking was going to happen. So that's what's kind of propping up those interest rates a little bit and putting a pause on when we thought interest rates were going to come down. We already thought the interest rates would be lower now than they actually are, but the economy is doing something different than the Fed was expecting. So the Federal Reserve did not do any changes to the June short-term interest rates, okay? But they did say that they're going to be watching like a hawk these economic indicators for June to see what they might do here in the future. They might indeed have some small incremental adjustments to that rate if they see they need to. So we'll keep an eyeball on it. Volatility is still here. We do indeed think that interest rates will come down in the near future, but these economic indicators are going to be really important. Troy with the Reichert Mortgage team, let's have that conversation about you. Remember, high interest rates is just one factor when you're talking about refinancing or purchasing a home, okay? There are many other factors that might be actually a benefit to you, such as higher interest rates are going to keep some of those buyers on the sidelines, right? You might be able to get a deal out there. So, Troy with the Reichert Mortgage team, your loan guy, let's have that conversation. Have a great day.